that Monday evening you would still be with me. Monday, Monday, can't trust that day. Monday, Monday, so sometimes it turns out that way. Oh, Monday morning, you gave me the warm what was just to be. Oh, Monday, Monday, how could you leave and not take me? Every day you make us fine, yeah. Probably when it comes, everybody wants to find me crying all the time. Monday, Monday, so good to me. Monday morning, it was all I hoped it would be. But Monday morning couldn't guarantee that Monday evening you would still be with me. Every day the week is fine, yeah. Whatever many times it comes, you can find me crying all the time. Monday, Monday, can't trust that day. Monday, it just turns out that way. Oh, Monday, won't go away. Monday, is here to stay. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I'm a Sore Fingers, back with you again with a pretty ropey version of a classic Mamas and Papas song, of course, Monday, Monday. My arrangement for a single acoustic guitar, okay. Special day tomorrow for United States of America, so I thought I'd tap into that and do Monday, Monday. Okay, so this is obviously a simplified version, in the same key as the original. It's in two keys really. It starts in F sharp and ends up in A sharp. Okay, but excuse the singing, it's just purely for reference and a bit of a laugh. Okay, so hopefully I'll get round to making a lesson on this in a couple of days. Have a good time tomorrow. Bye for now.